People doubted Blackpink from the very beginning. They said the group was overhyped. They said the success wouldn't last. They said the silence would end them. But somehow, every time the world questioned Blackpink, they answered without saying a word. Because this isn't the story of a group chasing validation. This is the story of a group that became untouchable. Moment 1. When was released, it didn't just perform well. It changed the direction of K-pop girl groups forever. The visuals were louder, the confidence was sharper, and the message was clear. Blackpink weren't asking for space anymore. They were taking it. Becoming the first K-pop girl group to hit 1 billion views wasn't just a milestone. It was proof that Blackpink had officially gone global, on their own terms. Moment 2. Coachella 2019. Coachella isn't just a festival, it's a global test. And in 2019, Blackpink passed it effortlessly. No elaborate sets, no backup hype, just presence. The crowd didn't need to know Korean. They didn't need to be blinks. All they needed was that energy. That stage didn't just introduce Blackpink to the world, it announced that they belonged there. Moment 3. How you like that? After a long silence, expectations were dangerously high. And usually, expectations like that are impossible to meet. But How You Like That didn't try to please anyone, it dominated. Records broke within minutes, views climbed faster than criticism, and suddenly, the conversation changed. This wasn't a comeback, it was a reminder. Blackpink didn't disappear, they were just waiting. Moment 4. 4 solos, 1 group. Most groups fear solo projects. Blackpink turned them into weapons. Jennie proved individuality with solo. Rosé showed vulnerability with On the Ground. Lisa shattered records with Money and Jisoo bloomed with Flower. 4 completely different styles, 4 different strengths, yet somehow the group never weakened. Because Blackpink isn't built on similarity, it's built on balance. Moment 5. Fashion domination. Blackpink didn't just enter fashion, they reshaped it. Luxury brands didn't choose them for popularity, they chose them for influence. Runways paused, cameras followed, and headlines wrote themselves. In an industry that chases trends, Blackpink became the reference point. They weren't wearing the brand was wearing them. Moment 6. Stadium tours. Arenas are impressive, but stadiums tell a different story. Sold out crowds, endless light sticks, fans singing louder than the speakers. This wasn't hype anymore. This was loyalty. Blackpink didn't just sell tickets, they created moments people waited years to experience. Moment 7. Surviving the hate with fame comes criticism. With success comes noise. Every move was analyzed, every silence was questioned, every comeback was compared. But instead of explaining themselves, Blackpink kept moving. No statements, no arguments, just results. And sometimes, silence is the loudest answer. Moment 8. Beyond K-pop. Blackpink stopped being just a K-pop group a long time ago. They became cultural icons. People who don't follow K-pop know their names. Their songs play far beyond Korean charts. Their influence stretches across music, fashion, and pop culture. They didn't cross over. They expanded the boundary. Ending. Untouchable Blackpink don't need to prove anything anymore. They've proven it with numbers. They've proven it with stages. They've proven it with impact. Every era, every comeback, every silence. They weren't lucky. They were intentional. And that's why, no matter how loud the debate gets, some names remain untouched. Blackpink is one of them. So tell me, Which moment made you realize they were already on another level?
Subscribe for more such videos and comment which Blackpink member do you like the most.